So in my last video, I went from the 550 brush motor to this 4000 kV Spectrum motor, and then I'm running the 85 amp Spectrum ARRMA ESC. If you want to see the install on that, go ahead and check it out right there. But in this video, we're going to replace the gearbox. So RC all-wheel drive has sent me their power module and metal slipper set, and in that set it includes the gearbox as well as the slipper clutch, and it comes with a metal 57 tooth spur gear, and then you get the aluminum chassis spine block, the screw for it. This is for if you are running four-wheel drive, or if you eventually plan on going four-wheel drive, you can use that as well. Then you get this clip with the screws, and that clip goes on the top there, and that replaces that right there. You get the motor mount screws, and then it comes with a set of 0.8 mod pinion gears, and they come in 15, 17, and 20 tooth. And then you have the different shaft size diameters there. You have the 3.175 here, and then it also comes with a set of pinion gears to fit the 5mm shaft size. So this set is compatible with a lot of the 3S series models, and it's also compatible with some of the 4x2 Boost series models too. So check out the RC all-wheel drive website to see if this set is compatible with what you have. So let's take a quick look at this. Here you see the 57 tooth metal spur gear, and it does come with some sealed ball bearings and a metal slipper clutch, and the slipper clutch can be adjusted right in there. There's a screw, so you can tighten that screw if it does loosen up. It feels really nice. It's nice and heavy, spins really smooth. So I'm probably gonna run the 15 tooth, the smallest for right now. Now this 15 tooth is a lot bigger than the pinion gear on this one, so it's already going to improve my overall top speed, because look at the difference in that. And then this just slides right back in, just like the plastic one. Then you take your metal clip and screw it fast. And now we're done, and we're ready. Okay, now we're done. That looks so much better than the stock plastic, but I'm actually curious as to the difference in speed, because there's a bigger pinion gear in there now. So I want to see how that affects everything. So let's throw a 3S in this, and we'll do a quick little speed run with this.
Oh yeah. I don't think the stock pinion gear did that. Ooh, the acceleration is pretty good on this 15 tooth. I think this is like the perfect combination with this 15 tooth 0.8 mod pinion gear and the 57 tooth spur gear. All right, let's take it up here. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was pretty fast. Let's see what we got there, just out of curiosity. 45 miles an hour, and I was not fully on it for too long. That's 10 miles an hour faster than running the stock pinion gear. Let's go for another rip quick. All right, I'm giving myself a little more running room. Can I top 50 miles an hour? That would be awesome. Well, it does have a low center of gravity. Can do some power slides pretty easy. Let's see, did I top 45? 49. Oh, I have to break that 50. I know I can break it. I'll take it up just a little bit further. Okay, that's a little bit further than I was. Here we go. Oh! Oh, I hope the GPS didn't fly off, or I might not find it. Okay, good. GPS is still on there. Ow! Sticker bushes. Did we hit that 50? Oh yeah, we hit 50 on that one. Yeah, this 15 tooth 0.8 mod. Ooh, I have a sticker stuck in my hand right there. I think that's gonna do it for this video. and I'm impressed with the speed that I got out of it now. This thing is a ripper. So I might have one more video coming before I do the 4-wheel drive conversion on this. That'll end this video. If you didn't already, click that subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next video.